Alright, so we are solving a problem which appeared in JEE Main 2025. In this question, there has been a quadratic equation given, which is a times b minus cx square plus b times it's a c minus a x plus c times a minus b. And then this information is given: a plus c equals to 5 and b equals to 16 minus 5. Then we are supposed to find the value of a square plus c square. So first information is this quadratic equation has equal roots, meaning that the discriminant would be 0. And we could go ahead and then do this. But if you go ahead and do the calculation using these expressions, it will be really tough actually. So instead what we should do is we should just observe this, and then one thing which come out is that if I assume this to be alpha, like a b minus c, and then b into c minus a as beta, and then c times a minus b as gamma, right? So what will happen here is that this is gamma, so c times a minus b. So one thing which you can observe when you sum this up, alpha, beta and gamma, the coefficient itself, they will come out to be 0, because ab here and then ab here and then ac plus minus here and then plus over here. So everything should get cancelled out. And this is what it is. Now here we can just say that discriminant is 0, meaning that beta square minus 4 alpha gamma should be actually equal to 0, right? Or we could say that beta itself, we could just say that beta is what? Beta is nothing but minus alpha plus gamma, right? Minus alpha plus gamma. So we could just say this is gonna be minus alpha plus gamma whole squared, right? And then minus 4 alpha gamma equals to 0. From here what do we get? We get alpha plus gamma whole squared minus 4 alpha gamma, which itself is an identity. Sorry, this is alpha gamma, and so this is itself is an identity, and I can say that this is alpha minus gamma whole squared is actually equal to 0, or this implies that alpha is actually equal to gamma. So whatever is my alpha and gamma, let's put those values. So a into b minus c should be equal to c times a minus b, or if we rearrange this, then what do I get? ab, and this will be minus ac, and this will be ac, and this will be bc. Now we can get this to this side, so this will become ab plus bc, and that will be actually equal to 2ac. Alright, so there is further to this. What we can do is that we can take b common, and this will become b into a plus c, which is actually equal to 2ac. We have been given the value of b and a plus c both, so we'll put this 5 into say 16 by 5, and then I get 2ac. So my 2ac is 16. Now everything is done here because we are supposed to find a square plus c square. Now a square plus c square could also be written as a plus c whole squared minus 2ac. So now I can just say that a plus c is 5, so this is 5 square minus 16, and that would be 25 minus 16, and that is gonna be equal to 9, right? And that is what is my answer. All right, so there are actually few properties which we are using. This is one sort of an identity which generally comes, and then this is one of the observation we have to make when we get certain expression like this, that the coefficient, when I sum it up, there becomes 0, and then we try to make use of it. And then again, this is a simple identity which is like directly you can understand that a plus b whole square minus 4ab is a minus b whole squared, and similarly a square plus c square could be also written as a plus c whole square minus 2ac. Yeah, so this is all for this question. If you have got any queries, do ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.